Your phone is straight up lying to you about storage, and I'll prove it in 30 seconds. Most people think their storage is full because of photos or apps, but that's not the real problem. I just freed up over 5 gigabytes doing this, and you can do the same right now. Open My Files. It might be called My Files or File Manager, same thing. Now listen, this step matters. Tap the 3 dots in the corner. Go to Settings and turn on Show Hidden Files. Most people never do this, which is exactly why their storage stays full. Go back, open your internal storage, and get ready. This is where things get crazy. We're about to hit the folder that's wrecking your storage. Tap on this arrow. Make sure you are selected all. After that, tap Android, then Media, then com.whatsapp, then WhatsApp, then Media. Now scroll down and open WhatsApp Images. Tap Sent. Boom, these are copies of everything you've ever sent, not your originals copies. This won't delete your real photos. Select everything and delete it. Confirm to move to trash. If you've been using your phone for a while, this alone can free up a huge chunk of space. Now go back and do the same thing with WhatsApp video. Delete all of it. And wait, don't skip this part. Go back and find the trash folder. Delete everything inside it, because if you don't, all that junk is still sitting on your phone. Now here's the part most people miss. We're about to free the biggest chunk of space next. Apps quietly stack up data over time and take way more space than they should. Go to Play Store. In Play Store, go to your profile. Scroll down and select Help and Feedback. In Feedback page, find Popular Help Resources section and tap Delete Apps on your Android devices. If you don't find, then don't worry. Simply search Delete Apps on your Android devices. On this page, hit Tap to go to Application Settings. In Apps page, tap on this icon and sort them by size. Pick one of the biggest apps like PUBG, Instagram, or Facebook. Tap it. Find and go to Storage. And hit Clear Cache. If you want even more space, tap Clear Data. Clearing data signs you out of most apps because it deletes saved accounts, login info, and settings. The app resets like new, so you must log in again. So if you remember your password, then Clear Cache is enough. Then repeat this for the biggest apps on your phone. If you're in a rush, just clear cache on your top 3 biggest apps. That alone makes a big difference. That's it. If your phone feels faster and lighter now, you did it right. Like and comment. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.